Hi everyone, welcome to Naija Mum in the UK. So today I'm going to show you how I managed to assemble my baby's high chair. As you know, in the UK most of the things we do are do-it-yourself activities. Like, you can't be looking for who will do these things for you. Aside the fact that you might not get someone to do it on time, the cost of doing it might be so expensive that you almost give up on doing that thing. So I am not someone that is very good with do-it-yourself activities, but this time around I've got no choice than to do it. My baby is 6 months old and I want to just assemble these things so the boy can have a good chair to eat, you know. Maybe probably that will encourage him, because it's another phase struggling with introducing complementary food, but with comfortability probably that will encourage the boy to start eating. So as you can see, I am bringing out all the items from the carton, and now I've brought out, I think that's the leg. Oh, thank God this one has been coupled. I don't have to worry myself around this. So I think probably what I need to do is not going to be so much. I'm just going to fix the things together. And the beauty of this thing this time around is that there's nothing to screw there. There's no screw, so I don't need to use screwdriver or whatever. This is the seat that the baby will sit on. So there's a manual that comes with this thing. Oh baby, stop that, stop that. Things like that can shock babies, so that's why I collected that from him. So there's a manual that came with this high chair. That is the manual that I've been looking at to see how they assemble the thing. To be honest, some of these things are not very easy the way they put it in the manual, so one just needs to use his or her discretion to fix it. So I think that looks like a cup, I'm not sure, but let's move on and see what I am able to do with this high chair. Yeah, that is the black thing that covered the edges of those metal things. I think they are put there so they don't someone don't get hurt by them. So as you can see, that is what I'm trying to get. This is actually a beautiful high chair. It was a gift by one of my sisters here in the UK when I gave birth. Now I'm trying to look at the manual and see what they did. On another side, there's a distraction. My baby won't stop distracting me. Let's see what's in the manual. I don't like do-it-yourself activities. At the same time, I can't afford not to do it this time around. So after looking at the manual, I can see that I just need to put this properly so the table will stop dangling and can stay in one place. Oh my god, okay, I think I finally figured it out. I just have to clip that properly, use the belt over it, I think. Oh, the belt goes first before the clip. Look at the boy distracting me everywhere. So that is done. Yeah, I think the table is fixed properly now. It's not shaking anymore. Now I've got to put this. I saw a tiny space where this will go, So I just have to clip this properly. I think I have to turn it over. Looks like I'm fixing it on the wrong side. Yeah, perfect. Good. Yeah, so that one is done now. Now I have to just pull this stuff together. Wow, it's getting there. The seat would stay. That is what I'm fixing now. Good. This does not require any screw. It's just straightforward. There's a small hole where that thing will clip properly. And then on this side, in fact, this side was one of the best. One of the things I love. I really love this side because when I was trying to fix the legs here, I realized that the holes there, they are just they've been made to be easy for me to fix. Like, I don't have to struggle with which one goes where. So for example, when I was trying to fix this one now, as you can see, it's just the perfect size for it. So if I try to put it in the other hole there, it won't go inside. So it's just very easy to do. Perfect. Now it's clipped. It's getting there. This is making me happy. I think it's remaining one thing, the other leg. So I don't have to struggle with which one goes to the back or which one goes to the front, because the holes have been separated for me to know which of the legs go there. Yeah. Wow, can you see? Wow, it's just remaining the seat now. So I'm just going to wear the seats for it. Pam, 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 pam. And here we go. We have a high chair. Yes. And there are some buttons by the side that I just have to fix properly. I think I'll deal with the belt later. Let's first clip the buttons properly. Oh, can you see that white thing that I put? That thing that looks like cup before. It's actually where the baby will put his legs. It's not a cup. Why was I thinking that is a cup? Yes, so I did this for both sides just to make sure that the seat fixed properly and the baby don't fall down while sitting down. Is because I had initially gave up on fixing this thing. I've trying to do it a lot of time, but here we are. It's done. Yeah, standing so strong. I think I need to fix the belt now. Yeah, I had to check the manual to see how to go about the belt. The baby kept distracting me and I had to keep putting it properly. Now I'm turning it upside down to fix the belt now. I think that's really very easy to do. I just have to make sure that it's well strapped to the chair, to the legs of the chair, and then I put it back inside. So now I just have to do it, fix it properly inside. I adjusted the belt so it can fix the baby properly and the baby will not be falling off from the chair. Yeah, these are what I did inside. I adjusted the belt and I just fixed it properly, make it tighter, and there we have it. Perfect. And that was it. Ready, strong. Now it's time to use this beautiful high chair. There's a tiny hole where baby can put his cup and or probably his ball or whatever toy he would like to play with. Ta-da! Thank you. As you can see, look at that boy enjoying his high chair, smiling. He feels so good inside. Feeling so good inside it. Thank you. I'll see you next